Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another video. And since 99% of my viewers are new viewers, welcome to my channel where I sometimes talk about knives.
Don't get hip
So this was going to be an unboxing video, but I have already unboxed it and used it for a while actually. And I'm going to compare the CRKT CEO Compact, only called Compact, with the other ones, the standard models. And I really do like pocket knives, what I want to call gentleman knives, these small, good-looking knives. So I'm really happy with my CEOs. I believe that this one is called Flipper, and this one is just called CEO with the thumb stud. But knives, I live in Sweden, and knives here are totally illegal, no matter what the size is. Many years ago, we had a law saying that if the length of the blade is shorter than the width of the hand, it's legal. But that is at least 30 years ago, so that is not true anymore. But people sometimes think that, and I don't have a wide hand. I have sort of a wide hand maybe, but I think the law said something about 7.5 centimeters, so less than that is legal. But here in Sweden it's totally illegal to carry a knife, no matter the size of it. Sometimes you can even get a ticket for carrying your working knife with your working clothes on. But crazy, old laws that are totally crazy. But these are my daily knives. I usually only carry one of them. And I really do like them. I think I like the thumb stud a bit better because, as you just saw, it opens faster and easier. They are all three just very recently greased, so they are as easy as possible to open. You can adjust the screw to make it even easier, but this is as good as it gets. And with the thumb stud, using it a lot will hurt your thumb, but I like it that the clip is on the upper side than on the downside, because then I have that as a grip. But to the point, recently I was staying at the hospital for a while, and I still did unboxing. I tried to do an unboxing video that didn't go so well, but I still got packages that I unboxed at the hospital. And I thought that, because sometimes when I pull one of these out, like at the store when I'm opening a package or something, cutting tape or whatever, people look at me kind of weird because they think that these are big knives, killer weapons or something, just because everything is illegal here. So my thought was that at the hospital, where they see all my belongings on the table next to the bed, it's easier to have this small one. And once again, they are all very recently greased. You can adjust it with the screw, but this is the factory setting, just greased. And the thing that I don't like with it is that it is a little bit too small, so it makes it kind of hard to open sometimes. Sometimes I have to hold it like this. So if the pocket clip would be on the upside instead, like on the first one with the thumb stud, that would make it better, because then I could grip it easier. But like this, it works. Most of the time it works. The pocket clip is adjustable if you're left-handed or right-handed. So I guess that's good for you. I would prefer to have it up here so I can get more grip. Otherwise, it's very nice. They have another one that is the same size but with better materials that costs like 3 times as much. No, more actually, 3.5 times as much. But that one is not available in Sweden. So the price of the cheap one here in Sweden is just as much as the expensive one in US. I would buy the expensive one either way if I could, but it's not available in Sweden. So I've used this now for almost 6 months, I think. Yeah, and so far no bad reactions at all. People don't look at me weird when I pull it out. I actually, it sounds really bad, but I've used this as a toothpick many times. So open it, amongst people, open it, use it like this. Might look weird, but no negative looks so far. These, most of the times, they are good. I'm just thinking about what people think about them, but and with the quick opening, instantly they think I'm going to kill someone. I really like them. They are beautiful, absolutely gentleman knives. The weight is nice. I have a scale here. I'm going to show you. I really like them. And I thought that I was going to use this one, you see, use this one more, even when I got home from the hospital. And I tried to use it a bit more, because even if they are all illegal, I think this one is kind of more okay. The weird thing is that in my pocket, I have I don't use the pocket clip. I just put it down in my pocket, and this one is as wide as my phone, more or less. So this usually lays in the same pocket as my phone, under my phone, no problem at all. These I still have in the same pocket as my phone, but aside of the phone. So I don't know what hides better in the pocket. I don't use a clip. If I use the clip, I have it in my pocket, in my jacket. That's the only time I use a clip. So a nice little knife that usually opens easily, that I'm not afraid to carry around and use in public. You see, usually. And I open the knife the same way with the same pressure, but sometimes it's a bit harder. And these are just, they are so greasy, I can almost not hold the knife. It is very easy to adjust. So you can adjust it and still, it will still be stable, even if you just loosen it a little bit. But I just want to show you what the factory setting is like. So let's start with the length. The first one is called CRKT CEO. Is the total length is 20 centimeters, and that is 80 inches, and the blade is a little bit over 3 inches and 8 centimeters more or less. Yeah. And the flipper should be exactly the same. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it is, more or less. And then we have the compact one that has a blade that is 6 centimeters, 2.5 inches, and the knife in total is 6 inches, and that is 15 centimeters. So on to the weight. I have a video about the CEO versus the flipper, which has quite many views actually. 60 grams, 55 grams, and the compact one 45 grams. So that wasn't, just 10 grams less. And I do like it, I do. I think the sizing is nice to use it as a gentleman knife, use it as a daily knife. It's just that it might not be the perfect knife because it's a little bit tough to hold. It doesn't always open perfectly. And I would prefer to have this one on top, like on this one. But I'm happy with it. I think you guys in US pay, I think it's like $45 or something for it. And for that, that's a great knife for the price. Here in Sweden, we pay, what did I pay? Almost $90, almost. So yeah, twice as much as the price in US, and that's standard for us. Everything here in Sweden costs twice as much as in US. I really like this one. I really like it. I only bought the flipper because I was super happy with the CEO. A full day of playing with it, it can hurt your thumb a little bit. And it's already reminding me. So yeah, this one, it doesn't hurt anything. You can play with it as much as you want. And this one, I'm guessing the flipper is more popular since it shows to have a flipper on the compact one. Could even have a flipper on top, maybe. Yeah, that could work. I like it. Maybe a bit thick. I think it's just as thick as the bigger ones. But if it would be even thinner, that would be harder to hold. Yeah, I'm very happy with my 3 CRKT knives. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this boring video, just let me know. These two has been sharpened, so if you think they look a bit, not they look kind of factory, but they have been sharpened. Because I really use these a lot. I don't remember how long I've had this for, but I think I used this every day for a year before I bought this one, and used that one every day for a year, and now this one, not every day, but still use it a lot the last 6 months. This hasn't been sharpened yet. There is no need for it. These two that I've been using a lot needed to be sharpened, and that was no problem at all doing that. That's it.